to me, click.
Good morning to my dear students.
Good morning.
And today in this session we will discuss on the topic, and we have very interesting topic, government job versus private job. So first you have to introduce yourself, and it is very short introduction. Then one by one you will put your views. So we start from you, okay? Okay, start.
Good morning, sir, and all my dear friends who participate in the GT group. And I wish to thank you to all of you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. This is Handpal in front of you. I belong to Jhansi, and then I am doing Polytechnic second year. And topic is that government job versus private job. So,
Okay, thank you. Yes.
Good morning, sir, and all my dear friends. My name is Ish Yadav. I am in 8th standard. I belong to Jhansi. I belong to nuclear family. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me a nice opportunity to discuss about the topic. The topic is government job versus private job.
Good morning, sir, and all my dear sir. My name is Savyada. I am at the standard. Form districts is topic is GT group, and government job and private job we will discuss in.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir, and dear my friends. I am Sajana Prajapati. I am from Jhansi. I am doing my BSc from BBC Degree College. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself and discuss over the topic. The topic is government job versus private job.
Okay, so guys, thank you so much. You have introduced yourself. Then you will have to put your views. Which is better, government job or private? So now we start from Harind. Okay, for now, put your views.
the topic is that government job versus private job. So according to me, both jobs are good because whether you are doing government job, whether you are doing private job, so by both jobs, so you can achieve a lot of money and also a lot of respect and personality. So according to me, both jobs are good. In private job, little salary but high work, little work but high salary. So there is a difference between these things.
So high salary in government job
Or little work.
and okay, very nice point. High salary and little work. Yes.
So, sir, according to me, both jobs are nice. Government job is that job that take a very short time and give a lot of money. Some people who are working to do a government job, any people ask them which job do you want? Government job, because government job has a craze, because there are little work, as he says, and get a lot of money. And any people, there is a to get a government job, there is a competition to get a government job. And private job is that job we get easily.
According to me, government job and private job. So I discuss in government job is best. Government job is a very little work and most high salary. So he is little work in government job. So I like government job. So every people is saying what I do in this job. So I can say government job. So he like it. So it is a more salary for in government job. And private job is a very little salary and more work. So private work is not good. So I like it government job. Thank you.
Okay.
According to me, government job is best because in government job here are many opportunity for us, but here is more competition in this field. To get a government job, we have to do work hard and study, and it is not easy for everyone to get a government job. And so many people wants to get government job, but some people he only achieve it. So government job is best.
Okay, Sanjana, so you are in favor of government job. Yes. And Harind, you favor both. And you also both. And government job. So these are two students. They are favor in government job and they favor both. Okay. And Sanjana raised a very nice point. Everybody wants to get a government job. So what's the reason behind it? Why everybody wants to get government job? And what do you think about
This
it?
is the reason and for getting government job, because and in government job there is a good facility and more respect and comfortable work, so everybody wants to get a government job. But government job in this time is a very high craze, so everybody wants to get a government job because government job is comfortable but for getting government jobs there is a high competition. So if you want to get a government job, so you have to pass the high competition test, and you have to also pass a medical physical test. So according to me, and both works are good, but the government job is more better than private job.
Okay.
Thank you.
So government job is better than private job. There is huge competition in government job. We have seen for getting government job, people have to work hard, and people have to crack interview, and so many things are there. But if we talk about private job, for private job, in private job there is no competition compared to government job. It is your point.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what do you think, sir?
About government job? This is the reason because everyone wants to join the government job. Government job is a nice job, but government job gets money in, and we do a little work, and that's not good. We have to do work from both. You can do work, so you get money from anywhere. You have to work hard. Then like a government job, there is money is much, but work is better. Then the people start sit idly and getting our money. That's not good. According to me, private job are best.
Okay. Yes. What do you think, sir? What do you think about government job?
The reason of government job is huge people is died, so government job give the money in family. So government job is the best. So private job is not given the money and not given money. So I like more high salary also government job, and private job and little salary and not give money in family.
Okay.
Government job is best because suppose that if we will die ever, so government provides many facilities to our families and give pensions to our family and help our family. So government job is best, but those people who did not get government job, they only do private job, but it is not good.
Okay. So Shiv and Sanjana told that there is security in government job, but in private job there is no security. If somebody dies, then government gives so many opportunities to the family. The government can give job to other member of the family. And as you told about pension has been stopped by the government now. For in private sector or in government sector, pension is not given. Okay, these are the things which you have discussed on the topic. 2 students are in favor of government job and 2 students are not favor in government job. They are favor in private job. Now I want to know your opinion about the services. Private sectors gives nice services or government sectors gives nice services. So what do you think about the services? Who gives very nice services, government or in private? If we talk about, you have seen the condition of the hospitals and schools. You have seen very nice condition in private hospitals and in private schools. There is neat and clean. Cleanliness is very nice in private hospitals, and private schools and private sectors gives very nice facilities to the employees. You have seen the person who are doing job in private sector, they have so many opportunities. They roam in other parts of the country. And if we talk about the MNCs, the people who are working in MNCs, they get high salary compared to government jobs. So sir, what do you think about services? Now I want to know everybody's opinion one by one. What do you think about services?
So, according to me, government services is good, better than private services. So, and because the government provide a lot of good facility for the citizen and who working in government job. So according to me, and the government provide a good facility. Thank you.
Okay. Sir, what do you think about services?
According to me, private services are nice because we are going to hospitals. They takes money and they gives a nice facility to the. We see the hospitals and schools, and you see the government school are not teach the students in very nice way. So according to me, the private service is very nice.
Okay.
According to me, government services are good to like IAS officer is going to a hospital, to doctor is also standing in government job. Is private doctor, he is also stand for government job officer. So I like also government job, and I am like an IAS officer.
You are in favor of government services?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So according to me, private services is good because if we go hospitals, so private hospitals takes much more money from us, but they gives us good facilities and good service. So and if we talk about schools, so government school is not good, then private schools are good and they teaches students very much of things, but government schools are not good. So private services are good.
Okay. If we talk about services, then private sectors gives very nice services compared to government services, because everybody wants to get his children admitted in private schools. So why they want to get their children admitted in private schools? Because they provide very nice facility. If we talk about job, so everybody wants to get a job in government sector, because you also told about this. In government sector, there is little work and high salary, and people feel comfortable. Government gives security. So these things are very good in government department, in government sector. People want to get a job in government sector. But if we talk about hospitals, if we talk about schools, then everybody wants to go in private hospitals or in private schools, because they really provide very nice things. If we talk about the education system, we have seen very nice education system in private sectors, and the teacher get very less salary compared to government sectors. In government sector, they get high salary, but they don't teach properly. That is okay. Now I want to talk about college. If we talk about college, so everybody want to get admission in government college, not in private. So why? In very short, you have only 30 seconds to discuss on the point. Why everybody want to get admission in college, in government college?
In this time, everybody want to get admission in government college, because the government college value is very high compared better than and private college. So according to me, and we are also doing polytechnic by government polytechnic Jhansi. So because government polytechnic Jhansi is very high value to other private college.
Okay.
Thank you.
So according to me, government colleges are, because the government colleges take a fees like a private colleges, because government college is that college everyone wants to join the government college. There are many colleges, you see, any ask to the any boy who are in the government college, you see anyone wants to in government college, because there are many reasons in government college. They teachers us in very nice way, and there are many things which is teachers by teacher. Thank you.
Okay.
According to me, government college is the best. To government college are nice and clean and very good teach for the students. And so government college, you can tell about for government college, you and everyone, someone you can see is yes, yeah, government college. You attend every question you can ask to tell about in every question. So you private and you are roaming in around and around. So government college is the best.
Okay.
Everyone wants to get admission in government college, because in government college there are little fees, and so students, those students who did not pay the fees of private colleges, so they wants to get admission in government college.
Okay, very nice point. In government college, there is little fees, there is less fees. But in private colleges, the level of fees is very high. So everybody does not get education from private sectors. And we have seen in school, there is high is in private schools, but they provide nice facilities. And you have seen the condition of the Delhi school. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal opened many schools in Delhi, and the condition of the schools are very nice. So what do you think about Delhi school? You don't want to, these kind of schools must be opened in all over the India.
As we know that the government, the Delhi environment is very good, and their school is also better than private school. So, and according to me, as like Delhi school, so be also the government also provide all over the India, because then that school is better than and private.
My question is that, like Delhi, school must be opened in all over India.
Yes.
Okay, and
All over the-
what do you think
thank you.
about it? If now complete.
Yeah, I think so, like a Delhi, everywhere open a school like a Delhi, because in Delhi study courage is very high. There is a school made by Kejriwal in Delhi. So I want to suggest to make schools everywhere like Delhi.
Okay. Sir, put your views in very short time. Put your views.
According to me, Delhi's college are very nice to.
Schools, Delhi schools.
Delhi schools are very nice and very nice. Is most open in every India. Every India is
In
most.
every part of India.
Every part of India most open. And Arvind Kejriwal, writer and sir, right.
Okay, CM of Delhi.
CM of Delhi. So Arvind Kejriwal is a good college in Delhi.
Arvind Kejriwal is good CM of Delhi.
Good CM of Delhi.
Okay. Yes.
So according to me, as the Delhi's government who provides many facilities in their schools, every state government have to made as such schools in every state. So many students get a good education who did not get admission in private schools.
Okay. So guys, now let us conclude the topic, and you all have given your opinion, you all have put your views on the topic, and we have discussed this topic very nice with you. So I really appreciate your efforts. So now what is the conclusion of the topic? Government jobs are better than private jobs. So now conclude the topic in very short time, only 20 seconds. Okay, so now Haren sir, conclude the topic.
So according to my opinion, the government job is better than private job. Thank you.
According to me, private job is better than the government job.
According to me, private job is better than government job.
According to me, government job is better than private job.
Okay, so I have noticed, Shiv Yadav, you are favoring in the government job, but in the last of the group discussion, in conclusion, you are favoring private jobs. Really you want to speak about it, or this is by mistake? By mistake? Okay, no problem. Okay, so guys, really I appreciate your efforts. You have given your 100% in this group discussion, and now I want to say something about this topic. Private sectors are not bad. If we talk about MNCs like bank, so many people are there, they are doing job in banking sectors and they get high salary. So it's not a matter, only government job is not our thinking, and most of the people long for government job. So but I think that is not good. If we have quality, we have talent, we have guts, then we can make our career in both the fields, in government sectors or in private sectors also. So both sectors are good. Okay, so thank you so much. And now guys, clap for everybody. You all clap for yourself. Thank you so much.